Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Al Khalil Ahmed. Can you show me? And this is my friend Sheikh Yaqub. We are doing the project of robotics for engineers. So we can start now. So the project is to move the camera in 4 positions to get the green color and then to give us the dimension of it.
Now we run the project. First we ensure the robot is in its 0 position, and then we run the Python program, and after running this we place the file some randomly. Now the robot will start moving. It has started moving. Now what the robot do is, it will go to 4 positions and it will capture 4 images, and then it will analyze and find where is the box green color area, and it will calculate the dimensions in the Cartesian coordinate system, and it will give us 3 coordinates, which is x, y and z. Now the robot has took 3 images. Now it's going to take its 4th image, and we can see the output on the screen. Now we can see the output on the screen, which is -62, +85. Now we measure whether the coordinates are correct or not. This area should be x negative and y positive. Since this area is quadrant 4, x negative, y positive, and the signing is correct, and we measure the distance from the middle of the arm robot. This is the location where the x0, y0 and z0 in the midpoint, center of the midpoint of the radius. If we measure it, the y-axis is 85, exactly here. The y-axis is 85, and we measure the x-axis, which is around 61, 61, 62 in the middle. Now we verify the dimensions, and it shows that our dimensions are approximately, this is accurate, that measuring, our manual measuring is wrong. This is the center of the cube. Now we we change the position of this, and we put in some random location, for example,
Let's say here.
Let's say there, and we close it, we close everything and run again. After the running, the robot will start moving again, and it will take the images from 4 positions. The robot has started moving, and it's going to take images in 4 positions. Now it took successfully 2 images, 3 images, and then the 4th image. Now the robot is going back to its home position, and if you see on the screen, we can see the output of the coordinates. If we see on the screen, now the coordinates are x 329, y 296. Now we go and measure whether the coordinates are correct or not. We measure using this. We calculate the y will be exactly in the middle upon here. From here 200 millimeter, and then here approximately 230 millimeter, and we got is at 330 millimeters, which is correct x coordinate. Actually we measured the y coordinate.
Yes, now we are going to measure the
Which is 300, which is accurate. We measure it again. Y coordinate 200 millimeter, and then 290 something millimeter, and we got the y coordinate same. Now we are measuring the x coordinate 200 millimeter, and then
it should be 300 something.
310 millimeter. Now, yes, this shows the correct coordinates. Now we change the position of the cube.
Let's
We
say
put somewhere corner, put in the corner. Now we try to run the file again. We close everything and we run the file again. Then the robot will start moving again and capture 4 images. Now the robot has started moving. Went to its first position. Second position. Third position. Fourth position. And it's going back. Since the quadrant is quadrant 2, which is x positive and y negative, it should come the x coordinate positive and y coordinate as negative. If we see the output on the screen, we got x quadrant positive and y quadrant negative, which is x 343, y 431 negative. And since even if we measure, it will be around same because the end is 400 and 400. It will be the same. Now we change the position and we change the location and we put somewhere.
we put here first position, second position, third one.
Now we
Now
put in the
let's say it is here.
This is the quadrant T where x is negative and y is negative. And we close everything and we run the file, we run the Python program again and the robot will start moving. The robot has started moving. It will perform the same and it will capture 4 images as previous. Second image, third image, and the fourth image. Now it's going back to its own position. Since this is the quadrant 3 where the x also should be negative and y also should be negative, both x and y are negative, we check whether the output, how is the output. If we go here and the output is x positive, x negative and y negative, which is 241 and my negative 138. If we calculate, it's approximately more than 200, which we can assume as 241, and x also the same, and the coordinates are correct. Now we run the program again.
Now let's say
For example, now we calculate the z also. We put the box on some height. We put somewhere here. And we run it again.
with this x should be almost 0.
Yeah, because it lies in the center of the line. This is the x0 line. And y will be positive, some value.
Oh, I thought the wire will drop the box.
And it captured all the images successfully. I mean, now it's capturing the 4th image. And if we see the output on the screen, the output will be some value of the z. Yes, we can see x positive, y positive and z. The z is 213.654. We measured the z value. This scale is approximately, we measured the z axis. This scale is approximately, this ruler is 200 millimeter, from here 200 and exactly 243. Which is approximately 213. Since it captured the middle top layer of the z-axis, it will be 213.
That's all for our project.
That's
Thank you
all.
so much.
Thank you.